In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Mailchimp emails as PDFs. Whether you're looking to archive your campaigns for future reference, share them with colleagues who aren't on Mailchimp, or simply prefer to have a hard copy on hand, this guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can effortlessly convert your emails into PDFs. First things first, you will need to access your Mailchimp account. To do this, go to the Mailchimp login page. Once there, you'll see fields asking for your username or email and your password. It's important to ensure that you enter your credentials correctly to avoid any login troubles. After you've filled in your username or email and password, click on the login button to access your account. Once you're logged in, the next thing you want to do is navigate to your campaigns. You can do this by clicking on campaigns and then selecting all campaigns. This area of Mailchimp is where all your email marketing efforts come to life. It's essentially the command center for everything you send out. Here you'll see a list of all your campaigns, including both past and active ones. Now, find an email campaign that you would like to save as a PDF. It can be any email, perhaps one that had a high engagement rate or one that you're particularly proud of. Click to select your chosen email. After selecting the email, look for the Preview button. This option allows you to view your email exactly how your subscribers see it, ensuring that everything is in order before you proceed. Click on Preview, then navigate to the option that says View Email in Browser. This action will open your email in your web browser, just as the name suggests, giving you a clear view of the full campaign outside of the Mailchimp environment. Now here comes the crucial part that turns your campaign email into a PDF document. If you're using a Windows PC, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut is Command+P. Alternatively, you can right-click on the page and select Print from the context menu. This action will open your computer's print dialog box. Here's where you'll make a key adjustment. Instead of printing your campaign on paper, you'll change the destination of the print job to save it as a PDF. Look for a drop-down menu or an option that says Destination and select Save as PDF, or a similar option that indicates saving or printing to a PDF. Once you've selected PDF as your destination, you might see a preview of what your document will look like. Ensure everything appears as you want it. Certain browsers or systems allow for additional adjustments here, such as changing the layout from portrait to landscape or adjusting margins. However, for most straightforward PDF saves, the default settings work just fine. After confirming your settings, click the Save button. You'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file. It's a good practice to choose a folder designated for your marketing materials, or create a new one if this is the first time you're saving a Mailchimp campaign as a PDF. Don't forget to give your file a descriptive name that clearly identifies the campaign and the date, making it easy to locate in the future. And that's it! You've now successfully saved your Mailchimp email campaign as a PDF document. This file can be archived, shared, or printed out according to your needs. Not only does this process help in keeping a physical record of your digital marketing efforts, but it also serves as a useful tool for sharing your campaigns with people who may not have access to the online version. Remember, the key to making this process smooth is being familiar with your computer's print settings and knowing where the Save as PDF option is located. With a bit of practice, you'll find that converting your Mailchimp campaigns to PDFs is a quick and straightforward task. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Keep experimenting with Mailchimp and exploring its full potential to enhance your email marketing strategies. Happy emailing!